Hello and welcome to iFillFull Kitchen. Today's recipe is Hommos Fatte. The ingredients are half kg of minced meat, 1/3 cup of pine nuts, 1 teaspoon 7 spices, 1 teaspoon of cumin, 1 tablespoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 teaspoon of mashed garlic, 1 teaspoon of salt, 3 cups of yogurt or Laban, 1/3 cup of dried mint, half cube of Maggi, 1/4 cup of water, 3 to 4 slices of Arabic flatbread, and 1 can of chickpeas. So first we will start with preparing the Arabic flatbread. We will chop it into small pieces so they will get baked easily and quickly. Place them nicely on a tray and put in the oven for 10 to 15 minutes for about 180 degrees. Now we will prepare the chickpeas. If you're using canned ones like me, remember to throw out the water that is used inside, as it has lots of preservatives and chemicals. So rinse it with a clean water and then use it. Now in a Pyrex plate, place the baked bread. Now we will prepare the yogurt by mixing the yogurt with the dried mint, the salt, and the mashed garlic. We will mix them together. And next we will place the rinsed chickpeas over the baked bread. Take less than a half of a Maggi Cube and dissolve it in 1/3 cup of hot water. We will add it over the bread to give it more flavor. And make sure not to exceed it and check the bottom. Now we will place our mixture of the yogurt on top of the chickpeas and place it in the fridge for about 1 to 2 hours. And while the fat is chilled in the fridge, we will start preparing the meat. We will fry the meat on olive oil and add the spices. At the same time, we'll fry the pine nuts and olive oil. Fry them until they get the brownish color. Going back to our meat, now we'll add the salt. Mix the meat with the pine nuts and then place it on the top of the yogurt. And we're done! Smacznego! Thank you for watching iFillFull Kitchen. Don't forget to watch our previous videos, like, share and subscribe. Ramadan Kareem!